It's gonna be a real quick Bitcoin update. So right now, of course, it's not looking strong. It hasn't been looking strong. The first inclination of it possibly being strong, price action, is when we broke this level and came up, retested, broke below it, came above it, nice buying pressure right in this area with all these wicks, then retested, started coming up. Now this is looking strong because of this bounce and retest. Then it came up, didn't come up to as high as this, which is fine. Came down, nice that it didn't break below this level. Came down, which is nice, came up. These are all old notes. Came down, came up, broke this level. So now we're looking really good. We retested this multiple times. We came above it with buying pressure. We broke above our anchored VWAP. We broke this level, which is amazing. Now I'm expecting the price to come down and maybe bounce here at the lowest here, but more than likely bounce here if we come this low. But to show really nice strength would to be bouncing right off of the anchor VWAP. Price came down, nice. We have a green candle. Okay, possible time for it to come up, and then dump city. Came all the way down, found support-ish area on the anchor VWAP from here. Came up to our box, our zone, and then just immediately broke down again. I'm not sure what Bitcoin's doing. Well, I know what Bitcoin's doing, but I'm not sure why Bitcoin's doing what it's doing. Like this, in my opinion, is strictly manipulation. Because here we're finding, I don't want this video to be too long. Here we're finding, we had this dump, we had the nice pump, we had the nice retracement, and then it stopped going down, started going sideways. It's now starting to show strength on the micro level, the smaller time frame, smaller levels, smaller zones, ups and downs. Then it's looking really nice, and then just dumps. And right now, these altcoins, they're being very, basically when Bitcoin goes up, they go up. And here we saw it too, when Bitcoin started going up, the coins started reacting. And then now that it dumped, the coins are doing the same thing. It's extremely difficult trading right now. Now, if you're doing longer term holds, then, great. These could be nice discounted prices. Could they come down lower? Yes, especially if we enter this bounce zone and we fail and it comes down. I've been mentioning this for so many weeks now in reference to our key levels. This orange line is our support resistance from the previous all-time highs on the last season. We don't want to break this. If we break this, we're definitely going short. And the shorts could last anywhere from, I'd say, a few weeks to a few months. I'm guessing about 2, maybe 3 months. I don't want to see this. I want to see the price action, of course, going up. I want to see this area that we're looking at right now. This area right here, it's a zone. We have this as our high and this pretty much as our low. We're in accumulation. We're in a sideways zone. It's still bullish as far as like the bull run goes, as long as we don't break below these levels. Now, it's not to the exact dollar, but right around, 91-ish area. We don't want to break underneath this. If we do, world of hurt. Let's start looking at some shorts that should play out once again for a few weeks to a few months, and we'll just keep on shorting. We're looking for this. Now, the price action can go up and down as much as it wants, as long as it's in this range. Once it breaks out of this top area, now everything's crazy bullish. Everybody starts getting all this FOMO, and hopefully now we can continue, the bull run. If we do break below this level, now we're looking anywhere from here, 84 to possibly 74, this range. And it doesn't have to drop really fast. It could come down, up, down, up, down, up, down, sideways, down, up, up. We don't want it to break this level 73. And again, these are just estimate at levels. around 73. We don't want it to break this. Now, if we do break this level, in my opinion, this would put us at, well, even this right here, but especially if it breaks this level, this will put us in, again, I really hate saying this. This will put us where this was. And this could have been our first high of the bull market. I really was wanting to see us go up to crazy numbers, then come down in April, May, June, then start going up again for our next run up to make our next high. However, the way it's looking, and everything's different now, and that's what makes it so difficult. Like, we can use the prior all-time highs, the prior bull runs to kind of see what might happen, but we never know. And same thing here. When we broke this level, now I'm kind of thinking maybe this was this, and this pullback was this slight pullback, and this is our second high. Regardless of what happens, bullish or bearish, we're going to capitalize but we have to play it safe though. We have to play it really safe. And, once it breaks this level, we'll start doing our shorts for a longer term play. Because can you do shorts and longs in this? Yep, sure can. And with the shorts, we just have to be very careful. Can't be in a bunch of them. We have to be very careful to see if, in fact, the price is going to break lower levels, or if it's going to reverse on us, do higher levels to only come back down. And because of that, we have to have our stop losses in place. We have to have our leverage. And for the leverage, I would strongly recommend low leverage. The higher leverage you go, the lower amount of movement that it needs to go in order for you to get stopped out or possibly liquidated. So that's all I got, really, guys. I do thank you very much. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the VIP chat. If you have any coins you want me to, check on, make sure to put those in the VIP chat as well, and make sure to tag me. That way, of course, I can do my video reviews on it and everything else. But right now, it's not. It is absolutely not easy to trade. And if you're making money, keep on doing what you're doing. Right now, we can see that price came down. It broke below our PLC. This is our point of control. And the next, I'd say 12 hours, will determine if, in fact, we're going to come down, bounce here, get maybe rejected off of the PLC on the 1 hour time frame before coming down some more. And I mean, can you do shorts right now? Yes, of course. But you just have to be monitoring it. And of course, be following the rules that I've, shown you on how to trade. And lower leverage always wins. All right, that's all I got. Thank you guys very much, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.